Life no be all about who start first. It's all about who do the right thing. And with God on your side, you must succeed. Do the right thing. Pray to God. Your dream will come true. Never listen to any criticism or anything anybody will say about you. If you listen to them, you're on your own. Yes, I'm not saying you shouldn't take advice from people or whatever. Maybe if you they try to break through in life, but not every advice good. Oh. There's some advice where will run you down. There's some advice where you don't need. There's some advice where be say you need to advise yourself on your own. That will be good and where will yield good result for you. So in all, always be positive about your life. Believe in yourself. Things will definitely change for you. Have a blessed day.